A very good morning, students. How are you all? Are you all safe at home? I hope you all are keeping fine and doing well your online studies. Today we are going to discuss from Unit 2 Scientists and Inventions and Part 2 Famous Discoveries and Inventions. In previous class, we have studied about scientists and inventions and famous Indian scientists. Some of the famous Indian scientists of India we have studied in previous class, how they have contributed through their life to our country, to develop our country. How many machines they were invented in order to develop our country and to make us comfortable life. So today we are going to learn about a famous discoveries and inventions. We are going to learn famous discoveries and inventions from this Unit 2. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the story of Archimedes and his principle. About the story of Archimedes and his principle. How he invented the crown and how he discovered about it. Do you know he is the greatest scientist in the world? He was a physicist and mathematician. He is a well-known person in our country as well as in the world. So let us know more about him through this story. Please take page number 30 from textbook, Famous Discoveries and Inventions. While I am going to read this passage from this page, try to go through from your textbook. Archimedes was a Greek scientist. Archimedes was a Greek scientist. He lived in Syracuse nearly 2000 years ago. The king of the land wanted to wear a golden crown. He had the desire to wear a golden crown. Who? The king of the land. He gave some gold to a goldsmith to make a beautiful and suitable crown. After a few days, the goldsmith came with the crown to the king. The crown was weighed. The weight of the crown was equal to the gold given to the goldsmith by the king. The king looked at the crown of the color. He suspected, means he had a doubt that the goldsmith had stolen some gold. He might have stolen some gold, but the king was not sure. The king wanted to find out the truth. He asked his court scientist Archimedes to find out. The king said, "Find out how much gold has been stolen." How to find out the truth? Archimedes thought about the problem day and night. He was going on thinking about this problem. One day he was about to have his bath, but he was busy with thinking. He did not notice the bathtub. The water in the bathtub was already full to the brim. Means it was full to that bathtub. He slid into the bathtub. Immediately, what happened? A large amount of water flowed over the brim of the bathtub. He noticed this. Suddenly, there was a flash in his mind. A thought came to his mind. he jumped out of the bathtub, shouting, Eureka! Eureka! Eureka in Greek means, I have found it. In Greek word, Eureka means, I have found it. While he was in bathtub, there a thought came in his mind. He jumped out of the bathtub and suddenly he went out by shouting, Eureka! Eureka! And it was found that different metals of the same weight have different volumes. Objects put in water will displace water. The displaced water will be equal to their volume. So dear children, in further we are going to discuss and learn more about these discoveries and invention, how Archimedes found the truth. So let us see attentively and listen. The king of the land wanted to wear a golden crown. Who? The king of the land wanted to wear a golden crown. He had a desire to wear a golden crown. He was the king of Syracuse. He was very fond of wearing a crown that was made up of pure gold. The crown was made up of pure gold. So, what happened? He gave some gold to a goldsmith to make a beautiful, a suitable crown with the gold. So, he called goldsmith and given the gold to a goldsmith. After some days, the goldsmith came with the crown to the king. The goldsmith came after making a beautiful crown to the king. He came and he had given to the king. The crown was weight, means it was weight, too much weight. The weight of the crown was equal to the gold given to the goldsmith by the king. So both are equal. So here you can see the Archimedes is seeing the gold and the gold crown which was made by the goldsmith. You can see from the second picture that where the Archimedes is showing to the king that both are the same measure. The king looked at the color of the crown. He supposed that the goldsmith had stolen some gold, but the king was not sure. The king wanted to find out the truth. He asked his court scientist Archimedes to find out the truth and how much gold has been stolen. So when the king looked at the crown, it was different color, was made by the goldsmith. So immediately what happens? The king doubted. How come I have given gold to him, but some different colors, metals I can see in this gold crown. So he doubted, and what happens? He called the scientist whom he knows very well. He is the Archimedes. The king wanted to find out the truth. So he asked his court scientist Archimedes to find out the truth and how much gold has been stolen by the goldsmith. So he called the Archimedes to find out the truth and tell him. So Archimedes went and thought about the problem day and night. The king told to the Archimedes to find out the truth. So he was going on thinking day and night how to solve this problem and tell to the king. One day he was about to have his bath, but he was busy with thinking. He did not notice the bathtub. The water in the bathtub was already full to the brim. When the king was told to find out the truth, the Archimedes was thinking and walking around, and he did not notice the bathtub, and the water in the bathtub was already full to the brim. So he was going on thinking how to solve the problem and how to tell to the king by solving the problem about the king and crown. The Archimedes slipped into the bathtub. Immediately, a large quantity of water flowed over the brim of the bathtub. He noticed this. Suddenly, there was a flash in his mind. He jumped out of the bathtub, shouting, "Eureka! Eureka!" Eureka in Greek means, "I have found it." From these two pictures, you can observe the Archimedes slipped into the bathtub. What happens? Suddenly, a large amount of water gone away from this bathtub. He noticed that, and suddenly he jumped from the bathtub and went away by shouting, "Eureka! Eureka!" Eureka means in Greek word, "I have found it." It was found that, and he said, the different metals of the same weight have different volumes. Objects put in water will displace water. This displaced water will be equal to their volume. So, the Archimedes, the scientist, came to the king and said, "I have found the truth. The truth is this. Different metals of the same weight have different volumes. Objects, things, put in water will displace water." When he was having bath, that same amount of water flowed from the bathtub. So he thought that displaced water will be equal to their volume. Archimedes found that the volume of the crown is the weight of the crown. So he said to the king, I have found that the volume of the crown is the weight of the crown. So dear children, have you all understood the story of Archimedes and discovery of the crown? So, from this lesson, let us see the meanings of some words. The meaning, first one, immediately. It means without delay. Means suddenly. Slip. Means when he slipped into the water, we have seen he was slipping in the bathtub. Third one, flash, light up. Fourth one, brim, top of a container or like the edge of a cup. Suitable, proper, appropriate, right. Sixth one, quantity, amount or sum. Here you can see the fill in the blanks. The king of the land wanted to wear a dash. We have seen from the lesson. He wanted to wear a golden crown. Second one, dash invented computer. Charles Babbage. We all know who invented the computer. Third one, dash was a Greek scientist. Archimedes was a Greek scientist. Let us also see question and answers. Some of the questions and answers also I have written. Who was the Archimedes? Archimedes was a Greek scientist. What is the meaning of the Greek word eureka? The Greek word eureka means I have found it. Why does king give some gold to goldsmith? The king gave some gold to goldsmith to make a suitable crown. What happened to the Archimedes when he slipped into the bathtub? When he slipped into the bathtub, what happened to the Archimedes? Answer is, the Archimedes slipped into the bathtub. Immediately, a large amount of water flowed over the brim of the water tub. Fifth one. What was the truth found by Archimedes? Archimedes found that the volume of the crown is the weight of the crown. So dear children, in 14th page you can see the activity 4. This is for you. Observe the picture on the previous page, it was 13th page, and narrate the Eureka story to your friends group. Write approximately 7 sentences that convey the essence or meaning of the story in the space below. You can write 7 sentences in this space given below in 14th page. Okay? Have you all enjoyed this class? I hope you all might have understood from this story of scientist Archimedes who discovered about the crown. So dear children, let us meet next week. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you all for listening to me. Thank you so much.